It's not a good idea to make your own will. Whilst it may be possible to make a will without professional assistance, a will has to comply with strict legal requirements. So it's best to make a will with New South Wales Trustee and Guardian or your solicitor. Without professional advice, you could risk making a mistake or creating uncertainty as to what you intended. These things can be very expensive for your beneficiaries and result in significant delays in the administration of your estate. In one matter, a man made his own will using a DIY will kit. His only asset was his house and a small bank account. He wanted to leave his estate to his close friends. He thought since his main asset was his house, it was enough to leave the house to his friends. The will didn't say what happened to the rest of the estate. Just before he died, he sold the house and the money went into his bank account. Because he didn't update the will, his friends got nothing and everything went to distant relatives that he didn't know. All this could have been avoided if the will had been professionally prepared.